what I'm going to do here is I'm lubing this ring with this little cup of oil here, this little caster. Got some lube around the piston. Got to make sure these rings are set right. And I'm going to go ahead and move this around. Right now it's in the top groove. I'm going to try to slide it to the bottom. You just got to kind of work the ring around. There it goes to the lower. See if we can do it without snapping it, because sometimes they do snap if you're not careful. Right now it's caught. There we go. Just gotta work with it and it'll go. Touch the screen. There we go. Alright, now we're down on the bottom. And this is the ring stopper here. Should squeeze around that perfectly. Now you can do the next ring. Always do the bottom first. Same thing, put some oil on my finger, put it around the ring, double check. See, right now it's upside down. I'm going to flip it so the ridge is towards the bottom. And we're going to kind of do the same thing, just work it around and it'll snap into place. So now you have both the rings. To get it on the head, you're going to have to put these gaps, line them up with the ring stoppers, one on that side and one over here. And you're going to have to pinch them, which I'll do in another video, and to put the actual head on. So there you go, that's how you get the rings on. Alright, I'm going to do this as best I can without my sidekick here. So we have the piston, new rings, new C-clips. I don't know if you can see these. These are piston stoppers, these little dots. There's a dot here and there's a dot here. They're ring stoppers. And what those do, what they serve, purpose they serve for you, is we're going to put oil. I'm using just a little cap full of 9G7 like I used to put the piston rings on. I'm going to get that lubed up. I'm going to get this in here. Just take my finger, put lube in there. That's that. Now your intake side for a GSR 40 is going to be this way, the opposite side of the arrow on the piston. We're going to try to line this up. Let me do this here. So I'm going to pinch these rings to where they're kind of like all in, compressed, and then I'm going to slowly assemble and put the head on. Now make sure you have your gasket. I know a lot of times people forget to put the gasket down before, I mean, I've done it years ago, but now the top of the piston is on, the rings are compressed, and I'm going to slowly push the cylinder down. You don't want to twist like this way. You just want it to comfortably slide. You could even move the flywheel to pull it down a little bit, and now we're down. So as you can see, we're fully assembled. I hope that helps. Now I'm filthy. I just got oil on my GoPro.